guys, it's me. Hi guys, it's me, Jaden. And I'm gonna show you my squishy collection. I might show you a foam, a homemade squishy, and two pop-out toys. I hope you enjoy it. The first thing I have here is the pineapple. Hello Kitty. It smells super good, really strong. Comes with this type of tag. Samuel license. It's like stress. Really. I really like stress. It comes with a pink ball chain. And I have no idea what this is. Okay. That's the first one. Let's just put it back. Second is I have the panda bun. Super squishy. Super duper squishy. Next I have the coffee. Comes with the golden ball chain. And this one really stands out. Like, it's really defected. Next I have this macaron. Not squishy because of the middle, but it's not like stress, it's just not squishy. This is like one of my favorites. The corn on the stick. It's like, I got it from Squishy Shop. And the rest, I got 4 from Squishy Shop. And about a couple from Silly Squishies and like a 4 from Kawaii Land, and it's super squishy. Okay, and then I have the slipper. I love the tag. It's weird and cute at the same time. It's cute. Has an air bubble. Let me just find it. Yes. And it's super squishy. At the beginning, this might be like really sticky. Okay, next one I have here is the peach squishy. One of my favorites too. Super duper squishy. Peachy. Later. Okay, then I have, let's see what I got. This panda bun. That's super squishy. And then, my favorites. My like first and second favorite. The Amio Tokyo squishy. I don't wanna, it's really pretty with the packaging. It's really sticky, I already pulled it out. I mean, like, it rises so slowly, even though it's like the strawberries. I love the strawberries. It's super squishy. And then I have this Amano Tokyo bread that's really squishy. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging, please. See, it's just okay. There's a twist inside, so it kind of smells like chocolate, just a little bit. It's not defected at all, except it has these holes, but I don't really care. It's like really squishy. Super duper squishy. Okay. I'll just put this back in. Look how real it even says do not eat because of that. I did, when this package came from Squishy Shop, this was like, let's see, how would I use it? It was like, it took like forever to get here, and this was, I forgot what I'm saying. Okay, I'm talking about squishies. No. Just. Okay. Okay. And then I shall show you the phone. And then the homemade squishy. It's like a cake to pop out toys. Really defective strawberry. Cute pies on the pockets. Oh. It has a face, but I can't really show because of the lighting. Thanks, guys. I hope you like the show. Thanks for watching.